Hi everyone, my name is Kristen Springett, and my mentor for this research is Dr. Emily Rutherford. Our research is university students suspected of having ADD, attention deficit disorder, examining their self-awareness and the diagnostic instruments. The purpose of this research is to examine the level of awareness among university students about the symptoms of ADD, as well as to determine if there is an effective screening tool for university students suspected of having ADD. The results of this survey will be used in collaboration with the Diagnostic and Statistical Manual of Mental Disorder, DSMV, to create a new screening instrument for adults suspected of having ADD. The researcher used a mixed method to collect data for this research. So we use both quality and quantitative data to collect data for this research. We use a short survey, self-awareness survey, to acquire information about students' awareness, and we use 3 separate established surveys to collect data on their diagnosis that we would use to compare against students who have ADD. What we found from this is that most students are not tested for attention deficit disorder before attending university, which makes them vulnerable to low academic performance. And we also saw that some students felt that they have attention disorder based on what they know. However, some students are not fully aware of the symptoms of attention deficit disorder. Therefore, they might not have the drive to get tested. So what you're going to do in the future, we have 3 more instruments that we need to analyze and collect the data from. And then after we would have collected, analyzed all the information, we are going to try to create the diagnostic instrument that is catered to university students.